It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
Elon Musk just talked about Optimus and tried to imagine if you could play a cooking video for it to watch, and it would immediately go to the kitchen and cook that dish. How crazy would that be? You wouldn't need to go to restaurants and spend hundreds of dollars every week anymore. Instead, you could just spend under $20,000 to buy a Tesla Optimus, and it would be your lifelong chef. Musk mentioned that Tesla could manufacture each Optimus for about $10,000, with costs confirmed to be less over time. Eventually, these will be available in stores for $15,000, which seems unbelievable, but it is true. So, what can Optimus really do, and why is it a huge profit opportunity? To achieve a low price for Optimus, there are many reasons, but we must tell you that Tesla may only incur about $10,000 in cost to produce each Optimus because it's entirely internally manufactured, from the battery to the motor and the transmission and the arm, leg, and hand, meaning costs are not heavily reliant on suppliers. Meanwhile, Tesla can estimate achieving the best price for each Optimus. Of course, producing at lower cost doesn't necessarily mean Tesla will sell their humanoid robots at a lower price. They could still introduce them at higher prices like $50,000, $70,000, or even $100,000, because the benefits these robots bring over time may outweigh the initial cost. However, Elon Musk might still decide to sell them cheaper because he believes everyone will eventually need one Optimus, perhaps even more than one. As we know, Optimus is currently in Gen 2 version and will soon be upgraded to the Gen 3 version. Let's hear what Musk has to say.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Yeah, so Musk mentioned our next generation instead of next update, hinting that what we're witnessing now isn't the final product ready for market. This implies Tesla could potentially commercialize at least 3 versions of Optimus: Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3. Earlier, we discovered Tesla is concurrently developing both Gen 1 and Gen 2 Optimus in their research facilities. This hypothesis leads us to consider the value proposition for each generation, suggesting different versions of the robot. Listen to this. In case Elon Musk actually commercializes his 3 generations of humanoid robots, Gen 1 will primarily perform the simplest household tasks, such as interacting with some devices and autonomously controlling them upon your request. Of course, the utility for this first generation will certainly be limited. Instead, the Optimus Gen 2 will focus on maximizing the task more with the 11 degrees of freedom at its hands from this generation. Tesla can put it into the factory, as Elon Musk confirmed that there are 2 Optimus robots in the Fremont factory that are doing the task of picking up 4680 cells off the end of the line and placing them in shipping containers. And there are actually quite a few of these robots moving around Tesla's offices in Palo Alto. So the Gen 2 version will be working at both the Tesla factory and outside facilities. Finally, the next generation's Gen 3 or any high-end version will mainly be sold as a homemaker, dedicated to external customers. This will be the version expected to perform all the tasks we assign with the upgrade from 11 degrees of freedom to 22 degrees of freedom, almost equal to 27 degrees of freedom on human hands. Tesla will focus heavily on Gen 3 to make them as perfect as possible. So, in the end, we will have 3 different prices for 3 different versions. According to our prediction, the starting price is $20,000 to $60,000 for the 3 versions, but the price of these will get reduced over time, and the reason we can buy Optimus cheaply is that Tesla will sell its robots with many incentive programs. For example, Tesla offering Optimus discount vouchers when customers buy Tesla electric cars, that's entirely possible and is a very smart marketing strategy with many potential benefits. This combined promotion can attract more potential customers to Tesla's electric cars, especially those interested in the Optimus robot and its potential applications. Providing a discount for Optimus can increase the attractiveness of buying Tesla electric cars, thereby contributing to increasing sales. Back to Tesla being able to produce Optimus at a very low cost. Elon Musk talks more about Tesla's advantages in building robots that
We have the resources to do that. It applies quite well. And then you also have to have the brain. You need a power efficient inference computer, which we've got for the car, and we'll be using an Optimus.
There's no denying that Tesla's biggest advantage in producing cheap humanoid robots is that they have experience creating electric vehicles, and it's not too difficult to go into mass production when the speed is stable in the start. Even the Cybertruck was initially considering a production hell, but it's easy to see that Tesla has accelerated very quickly with the pickup truck. What makes us even more confident that we can produce Optimus for under $20K a unit is that Tesla already has a very good foundation in AI, and that's through many years of developing FSD systems for electric vehicles. The manufacturer just cleverly transferred to the robot without having to start from scratch. With Elon's support, the steps for AI to Tesla bot are even faster and better because, he is very good at it. Because of this, Elon Musk is particularly confident that his robot can handle a variety of tasks, from simple to complex.
You need to be the best in real-world AI, and Tesla's the best in real-world AI.
But having enough components and parts to produce a humanoid robot is not everything. As Elon Musk admitted that the speed to bring Optimus robot to market soon also depends on the manufacturer's working team. And Elon Musk added this about Tesla's advantage.
We have the world's best electrical engineering. I think we've got the world's best mechanical engineering for gearboxes and for electric motors, power electronics.
Elon believes that Tesla has the manufacturing capabilities, the engineering expertise, and the AI platform to make Optimus a success at a low cost. While it may take longer to achieve some of these goals, Elon believes that Tesla will achieve them, and possibly before any other humanoid robotics company. Why Optimus is more insane than you think. If you're over 30, consider how much smartphones have changed society and daily life. Optimus could be more capable than our smartphone. So it's hard to imagine how it and similar things will change life. Tesla has applied a unique design approach to Optimus and plans for it to replace humans in boring or risky jobs. But instead of being seen as a machine, Elon Musk wants you to see Tesla's Optimus robot as a friend. Elon Musk shared that
major hardware revision, which should be done by end of this year or early next, and then we'll move into a limited production next year of Optimus.
This indicates that Tesla is preparing for a significant leap in robot technology. Optimus's hardware includes joints, bones, motors, sensors, and mechanisms that enable the robot to move and function like a human. This hardware upgrade promises to enhance Optimus's performance and capabilities, making it more flexible and powerful. For example, Optimus could potentially perform delicate tasks like playing the piano or threading a needle, as Elon Musk has previously mentioned. These tasks require high precision and dexterity. Additionally, the flexibility provided by the new joints could improve the robot's speed and efficiency, surpassing current limitations on movement speed, which have been likened to that of a certain president. Speaking at the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity, Musk discussed Tesla's ambition for its humanoid robot. "I think people will start to regard their personal Optimus robot as a sort of friend," he said, likening it to a character of pop culture icon Star Wars robot R2-D2. While he clarified that Tesla was not currently planning to make Optimus look like a person, Musk joked that the company wanted to make the robot good-looking. The Tesla CEO said the fully functional bots would be capable of performing a wide range of tasks, acting as a sort of personal assistant for a household. You can just ask it to walk your dog, take care of your house, babysit the kids, cook dinner, play the piano, so it's a generalized humanoid robot, he said. The way we see it, the number of tasks Tesla Bot can perform will indeed be enhanced with each update, similar to how full self-driving capabilities in Tesla's EVs are progressively improved in terms of quality over time. We've had an experience of updating software over the air with Tesla's FSD software. Tesla releases new versions and the car performs much better than before. We've seen this directly with Tesla's electric vehicles and have been monitoring the development progress of Tesla's FSD for several years, noticing significant improvements leading towards comprehensive functionality, possibly becoming more widespread by the end of the year. However, with a humanoid robot like Optimus, Tesla isn't just aiming for it to be a robot that performs simple tasks like folding clothes, cleaning the house, or moving objects. Tesla's true ambition is to create a comprehensive robot capable of performing every human motion and capability, modeled after human body habits and achieving levels of freedom akin to the human body. Therefore, the range of tasks that this humanoid robot can perform may rival what humans can do with subsequent upgrades. So with the over-the-air software updates, we anticipate seeing incredible advancements in in the future. You might need to spend an additional few $100s for additional features for Optimus. For example, with a software update, the humanoid robot could learn to do much more than before. If it initially knows how to cook 1,000 dishes, with updates, it could learn 2,000 or 5,000 dishes at first, then 8,000 dishes, and eventually 10,000 dishes. Musk once said that we can customize Optimus according to our personality and language, and it'll work based on those settings. With each update, it'll become more adept at analyzing user emotions and expressions in various situations to act accurately. For example, if you cry, it could automatically offer a hug or fetch a tissue for you to wipe your tears. This could be a true companion that nobody wants to miss out on. If you compare this with other superior artificial intelligence models like ChatGPT, each new version from 3.5 to 4.0 and beyond to 5.0 has seen significant improvements. However, when compared to Tesla's humanoid robot, the differences become more pronounced. Tesla's humanoid robot not only updates knowledge, but also develops new physical skills. Speaking of language, Optimus can be customized in language and Musk suggests it as a potential teacher for educating children. Whereas ChatGPT can only speak, Optimus can describe through actions in an effort to help young children understand lessons and become more interested in learning. We believe this is one of the key benefits to consider for an Optimus. Although ChatGPT is continually upgraded, it ultimately cannot enter the kitchen, it can't fix bathrooms or help with gardening, tasks that a humanoid robot can indeed perform. Therefore, the software updates for humanoid robots not only enhance knowledge, but also expand their capability to perform physical tasks. Elon Musk believes that due to their complex and diverse tasks Optimus can perform, each person will be able to have their own robot, and there will be others working in various industries. This suggests that robots could outnumber humans in the future. Musk has touted Tesla's Optimus robot as one of the company's most valuable assets. I think Optimus will be worth more than everything else combined, Musk said during a Tesla's earnings call in April. Elon said, because if you have a humanoid robot with vision that can do physical tasks, then there's no significant limit to what it can do in terms of scale of the economy. According to Musk, next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla, and things are going to scale up rapidly from there. This is truly shocking and staggering to imagine that within just a year, thousands of robots could potentially flood Tesla's factories, replacing humans in many mundane and hazardous manufacturing jobs. This announcement comes in the context of Tesla's recent decision to lay off 10% of its workforce, a move that sparked controversy and concern. However, as Musk has stated, the deployment of Optimus robots could serve as a positive signal to offset these layoffs. With a rapid increase in the number of robots, Tesla aims not only to enhance efficiency and productivity, but also to unlock new potentials in optimizing industrial processes. This also affects Elon's vision for the future, where technology and automation play pivotal roles in driving development and innovation. The pace of this development promises to comprehensively reshape how we perceive manufacturing and industry in the near future. From the outside, Tesla may appear to be an EV manufacturing company involved in robotics, but in reality, Tesla is an AI and robotics company that happens to produce cars. They could be considered a global leader in real-world AI with their self-driving program. They are rapidly becoming a leader in the robotics field, potentially surpassing all other areas of Tesla combined. In the Tesla 2024 shareholders meeting, Elon confidently declared the ratio of humanoid robots to humans will be greater than 1-to-1. There will be more than 10 billion humanoid robots in the world, probably 20 or more. This shows that he believes that the demand for Optimus robots will be so great that 20 billion units will actually be enough to satisfy the market. With production rates reaching tens of millions of units per year, each family could very well want to own 2 to 3 Optimus robots. A robot can be used for cooking and household chores, another for child care and elder care, and another one for home security. This reflects his vision of the future, where humanoid robots not only replace manual labor, but also interact and assist humans in various fields. With immense demand, it's not EVs, but Optimus that is considered the magic weapon, expected to greatly increase Tesla's value beyond $25 trillion. Musk made this prediction right after his $56 billion compensation package was approved by shareholders for the second time, following a rejection by a Delaware judge. He emphasizes that Optimus, one of the final humanoid robots to enter the market, could be compared to C-3PO and R2-D2 from Star Wars. It remains unclear how long Musk believes it'll take for Tesla to reach the $25 trillion valuation. By 2030, electric vehicles are expected to account for 35 to 40% of total new car sales. While it's undeniable that electric vehicles are currently more expensive than their fossil fuel counterparts, this price difference is expected to decrease as the cost of components, particularly batteries, goes down. Another key factor that can help reduce production costs for all vehicles, especially electric ones, is the advanced integration of robots in manufacturing. Tesla, a pioneer in this field, Robot Optimus with AI-5 software, upgraded tenfold compared to the previous hardware, will play an important role. How will the Tesla Bot Gen 3 participate in the production of batteries for Tesla's Model 2? What key enhancements has Elon Musk committed to implementing for Optimus prior to its 2025 market debut? At the annual shareholder meeting, Elon Musk confidently predicted that the majority of Tesla's long-term value would come from Optimus, and he's very confident in that prediction. Top experts estimate Tesla's valuation to be over $5 trillion based solely on the self-driving capability of its vehicles, excluding Optimus. That's quite accurate, but it becomes even more mind-blowing when you think about the Optimus robot, which is essentially a humanoid robot designed to do anything you want. It can be your companion, it can be in your home, it can babysit your kids, it can teach, it can be an excellent teacher, and it can do factory work. Ultimately, how many super helpful humanoid drones would you want? Who would want a C-3PO? With C-3PO plus R2-D2 plus, it'd be pretty amazing. I bet everybody in the world would want one, literally everyone. And then there'd obviously be robots in the industry, making everything. Musk also suggested that the ratio of humanoid robots to humans would probably be at least 2 to 1, something like that, certainly 1 to 1. This means that around 10 billion humanoid robots, possibly 20 or 30 billion of them. And if Tesla only has 10% of that market, it could be more than 10%. Musk could probably produce around 100 million Optimus robots every year. Because of the large quantity, they would create a robot at a very high-scale cost of around $10,000. It'd be cheaper than a car, and if we think Musk sells it for $20,000, Tesla would basically earn about $1 trillion in profit each year from that. If the price-to-earnings ratio is below 20 or 25, something like that, it means that Optimus alone would have a market capitalization of $20 trillion, and possibly another 5 to 10 trillion from self-driving cars. So as we see it, it's entirely conceivable that Tesla could achieve a valuation 10 times that of the most valuable company today. That seems to be why Musk is so focused on AI. Additionally, Tesla will ensure that these robots behave well and act appropriately while working, which is pretty important. Tesla is also a leader in real-world AI. Tesla's ahead of Google, Meta, anyone in real-world software, and it's getting better, I'd say, with each passing month, if not each week. Notably, Tesla is quite skilled in chip design, so the AI interference chips designed by Tesla for cars have AI Hardware 3, and cars produced in the past year have Hardware 4. They just completed the design on Hardware 5, and now they're moving on to AI 5. In chip design, it's like starting from scratch in AI software and having the best real-world AI software and the best AI inference chips in the world from nothing. This is a major issue requiring extremely important research for Optimus. Hardware 4 runs Hardware 3 in simulation mode. Therefore, significant progress will continue to be made on Hardware 3, but by the end of this year, work will really split, continuing on Hardware 3, training on Hardware 3, but then conducting separate training on Hardware 4, which will be the type of training cluster being built on the south side of the Gigafactory. With Hardware 4, the cameras have about 4 to 5 times better resolution, and depending on how you count, Hardware 4 is about 3 to 8 times better than Hardware 3. But everything you've seen so far is just Hardware 3, and we still have a long way to go before reaching the limits of Hardware 3. So we believe Hardware 3 will still achieve amazing things, but I think Hardware 4 will likely be about 5 times better. Then Hardware 5 coming out in about 18 months will be 10 times better than Hardware 4. Therefore, what Tesla will gradually do is improve the reliability that the car achieves, and then of course, this will also be incorporated into Optimus. The same chip going into Hardware 4 will be put into Optimus. Hardware 5 transition into AI 5 will be in Optimus in all the cars in about 18 months. Elon Musk is very proud of his humanoid robot, which is actually performing useful tasks in the factory right now. Currently, there are 2 Optimus robots in the Fremont factory essentially performing this task, taking cells off the line and placing them into shipping containers. In the near future, they're expected to participate in the production of new generation cars, possibly the $25,000 Model 2. With the previous plan to move limited production of Optimus next year, limited production for use in our factories where we will test the product. But I think next year, my prediction is that they'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla. And everything will scale up very quickly from there. So it'll help Tesla address any issues detected with Optimus. The level of autonomy will improve drastically. Literally, you'll be able to talk to it, say, do this task, or I will show you something. Now do what I'm showing you. Promisingly, this will reach a level where it can watch a video of something, such as a person, then learn just by watching that video, and then perform the task. So it's going to make a really big splash when it hits the market next year. You're seeing a lot of startups in robotics, but we think executing Optimus as a robotics startup is quite challenging. Because what we found is, to make Optimus work, you have to design everything from first principles, from scratch, every part of the robot. So the motors, gearbox, sensors, power electronics, communication systems, everything has to be designed from the ground up. So even though there are many electric motors manufactured worldwide, there's no supply chain for these types of motors, sensors, and gearboxes that's needed for humanoid robots. What you're seeing here is our current generation, a hand and arm with 11 degrees of freedom. Our next generation will have 22 degrees of freedom. It'll be able to play the piano. Of course, we need to ensure that we don't encounter a Terminator scenario. That's crucial. So the safety of humanoid robots is going to be very important. But because it requires so much foundational design, designing every motor, gearbox, sensor, power electronics from scratch, it's very difficult for a startup, if not impossible, to mimic that. But at Tesla, they have the world's best engineering technology. They have the world's best mechanical engineering for gearboxes and electric motors and power electronics. So they have the resources to do that, and it's applied quite well. And then, of course, there needs to be a brain. It requires an energy-efficient inference computer that's already equipped for cars and will be used in Optimus. And then expertise in large-scale manufacturing is also required. Therefore, to create a robot that doesn't cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, to make it priced around $10,000 to $20,000, it really needs to be designed for efficient production and manufacturing. Elon Musk has previously mentioned that prototyping is relatively easy compared to mass production. Roughly speaking, prototyping is easy, production is hard. Tesla has manufacturing capability, technical expertise, and artificial intelligence in both hardware and software. Tesla's CEO addressed questions about integrating Tesla Optimus into various industries and its potential capabilities. He envisioned a future where the Optimus robot would be widely used, customizable, and able to learn user preferences. You'll be able to customize its personality, customize its voice, and truly the robot will get to know you and learn your preferences. You won't even have much to say because it'll understand you. Musk discussed the necessity of specific training programs for tasks and the development towards broader adaptability by 2026. This process aims to enable Optimus to efficiently perform diverse tasks, reflecting advancements in integrating robots across different fields. How does Tesla Optimus' involvement in the battery production for the Model 2 contribute to improving quality? Integrating Tesla Optimus into the battery production process and various components for the Model 2 electric vehicle promises significant benefits in manufacturing efficiency and potentially revolutionizing the EV industry. First, how would Gen 3 contribute to assembling the Model 2 batteries? Optimus can use its flexible robotic arms to install battery cells into casings, connect electronic components, and seal batteries with adhesive or welding. Its precision handling capabilities enable it to perform tasks more accurately and consistently than humans, thereby improving battery quality and reducing errors. Additionally, Optimus is equipped with 2D cameras and advanced sensors to automatically inspect batteries, including visual checks, examining cells for defects or damage, and assessing battery performance. Optimus can detect minor flaws that humans might overlook, thereby enhancing battery quality and reducing defective product rates. For transportation and energy, Tesla's robots can utilize robotic arms and integrated forklifts to safely and efficiently move batteries within the factory from one area to another. Optimus can lift and transport heavy batteries easily, minimizing the risk of accidents for workers and improving transportation efficiency. Moreover, Optimus will also handle battery recycling. It can use robotic arms and specialized tools to dismantle batteries, recover valuable materials such as lithium, cobalt, nickel, and then sort them for recycling. Optimus can safely and efficiently disassemble batteries, helping reduce environmental pollution and conserve resources. Integrating Tesla Optimus into the Model 2 battery production process significantly enhances productivity and product quantity. It increases productivity by up to 25% and reduces direct labor costs by up to 15%. Optimus can operate continuously 24/7 without rest, helping maintain uninterrupted production processes. This surpasses manual labor, typically operating in 8-hour shifts with breaks. Moreover, Optimus can operate in harsher environments where humans might find it challenging. Think high temperatures or hazardous chemical environments. Furthermore, Optimus can be utilized for other tasks in the battery production process, such as equipment maintenance, factory cleaning, and data collection. Using Optimus for these tasks can improve accuracy, efficiency, and safety in the battery production process, while reducing costs and waste. For other components of the Model 2 electric vehicle, does Optimus participate? Certainly, it can efficiently support manufacturing, ensuring optimal quantity and quality. Optimus can assist in welding, assembly, and finishing the vehicle frame, including tasks like welding steel bars, installing suspension parts, and steering systems. Gen 3 can perform welding processes more accurately and consistently than humans, thereby enhancing frame quality and minimizing errors. Optimus's enhanced capabilities allow it to handle large and heavy frame components with ease, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of accidents for workers. Optimus can also support stamping, welding, and assembling car body panels, including tasks such as stamping metal sheets, welding joints, and installing doors. Optimus can execute tasks with high precision, improving body panel quality and reducing errors. Its sophisticated handling capabilities enable it to perform complex operations like welding narrow joints or installing smaller exterior parts. Regarding the drivetrain system, Optimus can support assembling drivetrain components, including engines, gearboxes, and drive shafts. Optimus can perform assembly operations more accurately and efficiently than humans, enhancing the quality of the drivetrain system and reducing noise and vibrations. Optimus can operate in enclosed or dirty environments where humans find it difficult to work. Optimus is designed with significantly higher precision and reliability compared to manual labor. The robot's sensors and control systems ensure all operations are performed with absolute accuracy, minimizing errors and enhancing product quality. For instance, a study by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that's MIT, demonstrated that robots can reduce production defects to below 1% compared to the average human error rate, which ranges from 5 to 10%. Additionally, Optimus can perform automated quality checks, detecting potential flaws that human eyes might overlook. Production speed is also greatly improved due to Optimus's ability to operate tools and execute assembly tasks quickly and synchronously. Automating manufacturing processes optimizes workflows, reduces wait time between stages, and increases production speeds. According to a report by the International Productivity and Creativity Organization, IPC, automation can boost production speeds by up to 30%. Unreal. While the initial investment costs for deploying Optimus robots may be high, in the long run, it reduces direct labor costs and maintenance expenses while improving cost efficiency. Estimates suggest that robot maintenance costs are typically under 20% compared to managing and maintaining human staff. Optimus is also integrated with advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and modern sensors, optimizing production processes and early detecting manufacturing defects. These factors not only help Tesla increase productivity, but also ensure product quality remains consistently high. Integrating Optimus into the Model 2 battery production process is indeed a significant step forward in improving and modernizing industrial manufacturing processes. In Tesla's factory, workers can guide robots by recording actions that robots will then replicate. Optimus can be taught to handle repetitive and mundane tasks, relieving humans from performing them. Tesla's robots also automatically pause when humans are nearby. In addition, combined with another enhancement, autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, these can enhance efficiency by navigating dynamic and complex environments both inside and outside. AMRs facilitate convenient movement of parts around the factory floor among production areas. Looking at the advantages of using Gen 3 bots in the battery industry to produce affordable vehicles. Handling large and heavy tray assemblies, automating with robots is the most logical solution due to their capability to manage such sizable components. Some battery trays for vehicles can be as large as 6 by 8 feet and weigh nearly 300 pounds. The weight, size, and precise positioning requirements of these parts make robotic use a smart choice. Complex processes cannot be overlooked. From moving heavy blanks or applying adhesive for a tray assembly to metal drilling, manufacturing battery tray assemblies involve multiple stages, including gas metal arc welding or GMAW and resistance spot welding, also known as RSW. Widely favored by automotive manufacturers for lightweighting, reducing vehicle part weight to improve fuel efficiency, the use of aluminum alloys is driving demand for alternative welding methods such as self-piercing rivets like henrob, fixed, and remote laser welding, as well as hybrid laser welding. Depending on the assembly tray design, i.e. casting design, Optimus's involvement in coordination with large robotic arms may also be necessary. However, most would agree that the presence of Gen 3 in the factory is significantly enhancing workplace safety compared to previous applications that listed current risks and potential harm to humans. From lifting heavy parts and repetitive tasks to inhaling hazardous fumes during adhesive distribution, you should utilize robots for these potentially dangerous activities. As an additional benefit, Tesla's robotic automation for these tasks can free up humans to perform higher value-added activities such as path programming, quality inspection, or technical support. The anticipated release of new Tesla products in 2025 featuring the Optimus Gen 3 robot in the Model 2 marks a pivotal moment in technology. Optimus Gen 3 will not only revolutionize automation, but also plays a crucial role in the production of the affordable and innovative Model 2. This synergy is set to redefine both industries, making advanced technology more accessible and setting new standards for convenience and efficiency. Tesla's breakthroughs in robotics and electric cars are poised to make 2025 a landmark year for technological progress. But ultimately, get ready to witness an unprecedented change in daily life. By 2026, the Optimus robot will be capable of everything from cooking and cleaning to engaging in more complex tasks like medical support and scientific research. The arrival of Optimus will mark a major turning point, bringing new and unexpected experiences to humans. What we once only saw in sci-fi movies will now become a reality within reach. So, would you buy an Optimus robot? And what do you think's interesting about this humanoid robot? Drop us a comment below. We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.